Good morning. Here's the dilemma today. I don't have electricity. I'm just kidding. See if this cooperates. Hey, it's Faye. I'm getting dressed right now because today is gonna be a different video. You know what? As I'm getting dressed, I just want to let you guys know that I don't have a video idea for today. I searched and nothing came up. Normally this happens bi-monthly. I'm not sure why it came twice this month. So this is kind of like a middle life crisis. The reason why I'm diagnosing myself at this level of anxiety is because honestly, I ran out of creative juices and I just don't know what to film. So I'm just rambling at this point. Ramble. Let's keep this PG, guys. What are we feeling today? Am I feeling courageous? Am I determined today? No. I'm feeling desperate today. What screams desperation? What screams I need to steal ideas at this point? What screams money? I am queen of angles, as you can tell. Okay, Susan. Ow, ow. Okay, now pants. Zip this, I need help. Ta-da! It actually looks like I put in effort today. Okay, come on.
Perfect!
Really? Okay, so that was like unnecessary drama. A month and a half ago, I moved across the street from my old apartment, which you guys saw, to this newer apartment. The point is I moved and I never told you guys. But then some of you nosy ones, technically you're not nosy because I'm the one showing you guys. Some of you guys noticed that I was living somewhere else and that it didn't look like my old apartment, which I low-key do miss, but then boy, were there a lot of things just didn't work out. I hated it. I was so depressed in that place and it hurt my work ethic. It was not a good place for me. Some creepy things happened and then they convinced my sister and then some crazy stuff happened and more crazy stuff kept happening and I was just like, no. We couldn't transfer into this new place until we lived 6 months at that one place. We were dedicated sisters. We didn't let our horses go to the Old Town Road just yet. We held on to our horses. But then 6 months passed and then we're here today. So far, I've been loving this place. So originally I was gonna film a empty apartment tour. The moment we moved into this place, I had 2 days to unpack and leave the country. I left back to Korea for a week and a half and then I came back. It was J4 and then right after that I had to go to New York for KCON and I've been sleeping on the couch since because you'll see today. So even though most of our things are moved in, our furniture, our beds, we made progress this time. I'm trying to get it together, but then it is a mess. I think at this point it's just an internal issue. It has nothing to do with you guys. It has nothing to do with I don't know, but it's just my fault. But my schedule is a little tight. So technically today, it's not an empty apartment tour, but it's kind of like,
where the F am I tour?
What's happening? What's going on? It's a dumpster. Welcome to the home I call trash. Transition. But seriously, don't expect a clean apartment. Okay, go here. Wait, you're supposed to be there.
No, I opened the door for you. Oh.
Forget it. Come inside my house, guys. Hey guys, so this is the front door. As you can see, this is a mat that we bought from Home Goods. As Asians, we take off our shoes. As you can tell, there are shoes down here. Who is texting you?
My boyfriend. Not like you.
In this door, unlike the other place where I keep dead bodies, we're a normal family. We just keep laundry in here. Hampers, this is so bad. I'm trying to find a new hamper, so link me.
Y'all have another
heater room.
Yo, I did not know that.
Oh, there might be spiders in there. Ow, ow. This door is a closet door. Our Christmas tree's in there. Probably 2 of them, maybe 3. I love Christmas. So this is a shoe drawer. It's from IKEA. It's supposed to be mounted into the wall. We don't have that specialty. We just have it pinned against the wall. And it works, like the current shoes that we're wearing. Up here you have light fixtures. I really like the lights over here. They're so, ooh, the trash. It's so urban. I have a pantry here. Ta-da! Just your normal stove, whatever. You convert it to a water jug.
Wow. Yeah, it's kind of cool. That's amazing.
Stay hydrated. Stay thirsty. Anyways,
Don't
we have
take
a little rice cooker that only makes 1.5 cups of rice.
I'm telling you, your viewers are gonna see everything.
Oh my gosh! gosh.
Okay, so this is a really raw video. You see, people like to clean up and make it presentable. Here in the household of the Listen Linda fam, we get what we get. When I finish decorating the kitchen and stuff, I'll come back to you. We have a dark kitchen, which was not my preference, but then it was the only unit open and we really wanted to move, so I was like, we'll make it work. Gotta work. Here's the countertop. Here's the dishwasher. Everything you need to eat. Just more pantry stuff. You see, we keep the vitamins and everything.
Oh my god, I think I'm so thirsty.
Get my feet. Tiptoe. I don't know why my sister decided to put the cups up there because like I can't reach. I think it's nice up there. Okay. This is the color scheme we're going for. You guys will see that we have this little nook, and I'm not sure what's going in this nook yet, but for now, it's our recycling bags. We're putting more effort to recycle. We did recycle before, but then like we didn't put that much effort, but now it's like a no. We have to figure out a recycling system. So if you have any ideas to recycle and you have a system that works for you, let us know. We have this mirror that we just bought from Target. Wooden hamper looking thing for a plant. We can't find a plant. And then we got these stools, which you can see we just put whatever on it from Amazon. We got 4 of them. This is a very special box. Of course we're gonna recycle it. One night, my cousin was over. She wanted water at 3 a.m. So she wakes me up because she does not know how to use the freaking nozzle that I showed you guys. Finally fell asleep because I was having a hard time falling asleep this week. And I wake up. I need water.
Okay, I got you.
I came over, I got some water in a cup, and I handed it to her.
Oh my god, it's so hot. Let me turn on the AC.
It was pitch black. The box still had its contents inside, so it was like hard and sturdy. And I walked, kicked this, stepped all over it. We had a random mirror here. I fell, I grabbed the mirror, and I kept falling. My sister opened the door, and as she opened the door, she called the mirror, but not me. I happened to have a bruise here and here. No, I didn't, but then like, it felt like it, so.
Lo and motherfucking behold, I found a bruise. And I found it in the most painful way ever, okay? I'm just in pain.
That's the story of the box. And the next morning, I literally woke up questioning if I was dreaming or not until I felt the pain in my arm, and it soon made me realize, baby girl, your girl was not dreaming. Here's a little note. So far, I have my YouTube plaques. My 1 million gold one, I haven't even opened. I think I looked at it once, I put it away. But I have both my vlog channel and my normal channel, right? Yeah, and my gold one. And then we have pictures and candles, which we'll figure it out. Humans need water and air. Faye needs a TV. So she got a TV, finally. And then we got this console that was in that box. I hope the neighbors didn't think it was an earthquake, but I don't blame them. Here's another story. Linda, listen. Tell me why my sister orders it, and we were freaking out for like a week. Like, it's not here, it's supposed to be here on a Tuesday. It took over a month to get here, but it's here, so that's why it matters. And then here,
You're not supposed to show them.
the router's in it, but she made this console and forgot to flip the thing so it's not white. She's like, no one will see it. I can't go to sleep at night because of it. And then, this is not supposed to be on the floor. What it is a, what is it called?
Lap desk.
It's a lap desk. Ooh. Love this carpet. So I tend to lay on this at all times, even though it hurts my back because it is when doing this and watching TV, you know? It's a great carpet. Look at this rug. So solid. ASMR. That's a lot lit. This is the couch from my old apartment. It's the same thing. These aren't supposed to be here either. PR packages. So this couch has an ottoman and we didn't know where to put it, so we just put it here. So this is what we like to do. When we like
dark.
this is what we like to do. We
So
just,
dark.
This is what we like to
No.
do. This is what we like to do. We just put a pillow here. We grab a book. It is the best place to edit and everything because it's so bright right here. So it's like amazing. As you guys can tell, open, wide windows. Gorgeous. Whenever we like pull all the blinds up on all sides, it's just super bright. And then here's a balcony, which has a lot of bird poop. We haven't utilized this because we're still trying to figure out how to rid that. So if you are a Cooper Scooper expert, we'd appreciate some help and consultation. If we go over here, this is just like the bathroom area. So this is the guest door, but then this is her door that leads to her bedroom.
The bedroom's dirty.
This is the mirror, and then her closet, which I won't invade too much. Okay, and then across the hallway is my room. And hold on, before you guys judge me or hurt my feelings, I'm not as embarrassed because you guys already know this about me. Remember the old apartment? But yes, I will be doing a room transformation video by myself. I am only saying that to convince myself that I'll clean my room for you guys because now I said it and it's here. Here's the before. Ta-da! the bed. So as you can see, clean and neat and stored and everything is just organized here. I like to keep all my skincare, current ones here, gifts for my friends here, current makeup here. Oh, of course, BT21 has to be here. I don't know what happened, but my light bulbs, the glass around it came off, but the bulb is stuck. So impression vanity, can you please like let me know what to do? Because I don't know what to do. Remember this from my old room? Well, it's still here. This is Pat. I need to buy a new storage system. I don't have any more storage space. And then this is where I sleep at night. This is literally the only space on the bed for me to sit. I'm gonna start sleeping in my bed soon. Just I need to figure this out. And then I'll use it, you know? Like because beds are meant to be used. Kind of miss it. And they're just boxes of more skincare. This is a perfume box. This worked for 2 days as storage and then now it's just piling. Piles and piles of regret. I know you guys are curious. I know you guys are dying to hear that. It's like T-girl.
She's single? That's what.
No mans have been in here yet. Mans? You sure you don't want to miss out on this open vanity sink? It's yours. Okay, no, I'm kidding. This is literally the sink that I let everyone else use because this is my sink. As you can tell, all my stuff is here. And then you just have the normal girl stuff. The linen closet. Toilet paper. This is my shower. Yep, nothing interesting. And this is the closet. This is where the magic happens. You guys have been in here already, so you guys already know what happens in here. I cry. I just open up. Sometimes I'm changing here, or sometimes I like strip right here. And I'll just stand here with no clothes on, just wondering if they can see me. I know the rule of thumb is if I can see you, you can see me. But I think in this case, we're safe where I can see them, but they can't see me. If you did see me, then apologize. Them or me?
You.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's it for our hoarding unit. I'm not even trying to cover it up. I'm not even trying to paint a picture. Everything's perfect and beautiful when you move in. That's it for this video. We gotta go recycle. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.